12, there's not a lot to see. We're going to finish putting our first layer of plasterboards on, and then we're going to put on our sound block insulation plasterboards. But I just want to show you this as well. So there's going to be a TV on the wall here, so if you're doing these, it's a good idea to put a patras in the wall, which basically is a bit of an offcut of the OSB roofing. We put it in between the joists there and we screw through, and then the TV bracket will fix to that, so you're assured of a good fixing whenever you put up. So we put one in for there, and we put one in for the heater and one for the consumer unit as well. So we'll get all this boarded, and then that'll be it. Like I say, not a lot to see, but that's it. So we're putting a second layer of sound block plasterboard on. It is what it says, it's sound block plasterboard. It's more dense, it's another 10 kilos in weight. What we do, so we overstep the joints. You don't have two joints, you know, two boards at the same thing, so we step one back and run on that way. So we're going to carry on, cover all these with blue sound block plasterboard. We've fully plasterboarded it now. We've put all the back boxes in for the sockets. There's going to be Cat 5 there, two double sockets there, TV point up there, and then socket, and Cat 5 in net point over there in the corner. Consumer unit will go up here. We've put a patras in the wall in there, which I showed you about earlier on. We put a patras in the wall there, and all will be a 3 kilowatt heater there. We've put a patras in the wall to carry the telly. So these are blue sound block boards. So we've insulated the wall and we've sound blocked it, same with the ceiling as well. But he's asked us not to put the sound block on the ceiling just because the height's quite a tall fella. So that's it now. So we're ready for plastering. Tomorrow we're going to jump back outside and do some other works, and the plaster will be here Thursday, and he'll get it all skinned.